So I'm going fishing on Sunday. So right now I'm making some PV bags with the recipe I had from last time I went fishing. So I'm just using PV bags, boilies, in these little boilies, copper. I'm not using mesh PV bags because I put a bit of breadcrumbs in it. I think that will come out of the mesh. So I use solid PV bags. These ones I've done quite tight, so I'll throw it in the water. Same again, size 12, size 6 rigs, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going fishing on Saturday. So I'm out fishing, I've got 2 rods out, and they're both on a pepperami with the bopper. Got pepperami yesterday, because saw Carl and Alex do it, so I might as well do it. So I've got 2 rods out, same spot as last time. I might move a bit later though. I've got 1 rod going that way, and then 1 rod going that way. I've had 1 take on this one so far, but I don't think I've lost it. I've lost it. Then just got a map beside me and net and bag boxes. So then hopefully I'll get a fish. New spool of line, £10 line. Just put on my other reel. It's because I put hot line on this better reel because that line was quite braille. So I'll put a new one for £6, £10 line. So I'll just put the new line on. It's where is it gone? It's there. It is £10 line. Go focus. Yeah, it's £10 line. And then the things here. I have no one to help me do it, so it did kind of hard to make kind of hard. So then, still only had one bite. Nothing much happened. Why is my camera all fuzzy for? Nothing much has really happened. Okay. So the bird's back again. Came in last time I came fishing. It's been on my bag and everything, trying to eat my bait. No, fish mate, not allowed it. So I've just got this robin red lunch and meat. So for that on this rod instead of boilie, and that one's going to be just pepperami. I've just seen it earlier. So this one I'm using now instead of boilie, bit of lunch meat, PV bag, just normal rig. That rod still hasn't moved, so hopefully something on that soon. And I've buried the stopper inside it so then the fish don't get spooked. This box I've got, I've got crushed up cut up pepperami with a bit of this worm liquid thing. Smells quite mank, but I put it on anyway. On that rod, and that one's got a hook. That meat thing. Someone just cast it away there. Okay, so that's it. So I'll put some breadcrumbs and that in this, and the rest of my pink liquid in that. I'm still using these. Not everything getting quite bored now. Only had 2 bites so far. But I'm gonna move somewhere over there, I think. So yeah, used fishing spots. I was over there. Now we'll be here. everything's set up. Rods, got thing in that one, pepperoni, and then oily in this one. So yeah, hopefully we catch something today. And not like the last 2 times we went fishing and blanked. That one I've just up next to the lily pads there, just in front of them. That one I've had that island there. Hopefully do catch something. If not, I'll be sad. I've just caught one over there. I've set rods back up now and put it back up. Yeah, so I caught it on a boilie. I'll put a photo up now. I'm just happy. I couldn't take a video because it's flashing around everywhere. So yeah, that's where I caught it. It was on one of these citrus special edition mash boilies. I'm not gonna be one of those people who like don't tell you the right bait that they use. So yeah, kind of put a thing on it. This stuff keeps falling off. Also caught that on a PJ bag with just random pellets and things in it. So yeah, that's what I got. Carp. It was about a 5 pounder, I think. Yeah, I forgot to weigh it because I was happy. Yeah. Also forgot to mention that was my first carp of this year. I think it's a decent sized carp. Yeah. Hopefully we catch more though. I've put both rods. That rod is not next to those anymore, it's like over there, and this rod's over there. So hopefully we'd catch more, and that's not the only fish we catch today. It probably is going to be. So yeah, but hopefully we'll catch more. Those ducks are annoying. They keep like diving into the water. It's annoying. I'm packing up now. Leave rods in the water for a couple of minutes because they're always the last thing you do in case you get a bite. Yeah, so I'm good now. I'll caught one fish. I'll see that's quite a good day for winter on a boat leave. So yeah, see you guys in the next vid.